If your customers find your products without descriptions, you are likely to lose good sales opportunities because products without descriptions do not give any information or reasons why your customers should buy them, and that is not good. Now imagine you have hundreds or thousands of products without descriptions. That means thousands of lost sales opportunities and therefore money. That's why we want to show you how to quickly search for all WooCommerce products with empty descriptions. We will do it using the WP Sheet Editor Products Spreadsheet plugin. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we are ready to search for all the products with empty description. First, let's search for products with empty short description. To do so, open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select short description. The operator will be equal. Now leave the value field empty. And let's run the search to display all the products with empty short description. Now let's find all products that are missing their long description. For this, open the search tool. Then enable the advanced filters. Now enter content here. Select the equal operator. And leave the value field empty. Finally, run the search, and your products will be filtered and displayed in the spreadsheet. As you can see, it's really simple to find all your WooCommerce products with empty descriptions using the WP Sheet Editor Products Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.